Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy tips on Fidelity. First, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the fixed income section. You'll find options for both new issue and secondary market treasury bonds. Understanding the difference between these options is key to making an informed investment decision. We'll walk through the steps to place an order for these inflation-protected securities. When buying new issue tips, you're participating in a treasury auction. Fidelity facilitates this process, allowing you to bid non-competitively. For secondary market tips, you'll browse available bonds and their current yields. It's important to compare the maturity dates and coupon rates to find the best fit for your portfolio goals. Both methods offer unique advantages for investors. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more financial content. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers fantastic insights into investing and financial independence, much like Understanding Tips. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've decided on either new issue or secondary market tips, the order process is straightforward. You'll enter the face value you wish to purchase, for example, $10,000. Fidelity will display the estimated cost and accrued interest. Always double-check all the details, including the CUSIP number and maturity date, before confirming your transaction. This ensures your investment aligns with your expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.